Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to find the square root of a perfect square number in just a matter of few seconds. Friends, do you want to find the square root of a perfect square number in just a matter of few seconds? Then this video is for you. Now for this, we need to know the square numbers from 1 to 10. Now 1 square is nothing but 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and so on, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. This I should know by heart. And then one more thing I should know, that is I should know the end digits of the square numbers. So here 1 square ends with 1, 2 square ends with 4, 3 square ends with 9, 4 square ends with 6, 9 square ends with 1 and 10 square ends with 0. Now with this basic knowledge, let us find the square roots of a perfect square. Now let us find the square root of 1521. For this, let me split the number into groups of 2's. We get 15 as one part and 21 as the other part. Now for the first part 15, we know that 3 square it's nothing but 9 and 4 square is nothing but 16. So 15 lies between 3 square and 4 square. But I cannot take 4 square because 4 square is going to be 16, which exceeds my number 15. So I'm going to take 3 as my first part answer. Now for the second part 21, it ends with 1. So either 1 square or 9 square should end with 1. Since we know that it starts with 3. Now here we are going to make a small trick, okay? We know that it starts with 3, let me have the base as 5 hereafter for all the square numbers. Now let me find the 35 square. Don't think it's going to be very hard because 35 square is going to be very easy to find. Now what is the consecutive number of 3? It's nothing but 4. So 3 4s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. That gives me the square number of 35. So 35 square is nothing but 1225. Now I am going to compare with my square root number, that is 1521. Now 1521 is more than 1225, which means instead of taking 1 square I should take 9 square. Therefore the second part answer is going to be 9. So therefore the square root of 1521 is nothing but 39. Now let us see a few more examples. Find the square root of 5329. Now as usual we are going to write this number as groups of 2's. So here for the first part I am going to write 53 and for the second part it's going to be 29. Now for the first part 53, it lies between 7 square and 8 square because we know that 7 square is going to be 49 and 8 square is going to be 64. Surely I cannot take 8 square because 64 exceeds my number 53. So for the first part the answer is going to be 7. Now for the second part 29, it ends with 9. Either 3 square or 7 square ends with 9. Now as I told you previously, we are going to have 5 as the base and already I know that the first part contains 7. So let me find the 75 square. So I taught you how to find 75 square. Now what is the consecutive number of 7? It's going to be 8. So 7 8s are 56 and 5 5s are 25. So now let me check with my number. Now 5329 is very much lesser than compared to 5625. So let me take, instead of 7 square, I am going to take 3 square. So the second part is going to be 3. Therefore root of 5329 equal to 73. Similarly, for the square root of 12,544, it's going to be 112. So friends, was this not easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.